A new wave of autonomous repair bots is entering cities, performing routine maintenance on infrastructure and utilities with precision and minimal disruption. These compact robots use advanced sensing and adaptive planning to fix leaks, reinforce structures, and monitor safety in real time. By integrating with urban data networks, they optimize energy use, reduce downtime, and extend the lifespan of critical systems while lowering costs for taxpayers. The episode weighs benefits against privacy, accountability, and job displacement concerns, inviting viewers to imagine governance that guides innovation responsibly. Viewers are urged to consider practical safeguards and transparent deployment as cities evolve.